Hey, it's Marina, travel experta, and today we're going to be talking about taking a painting class. Are you guys ready for an adventure? Let's begin. So I was visiting my parents in New Jersey, and one of my girlfriends calls me up and she's like, "Hey, let's go out for a drink." And I was like, to be honest with you, I want to do something on top of just the drink because I could do that anywhere. Make it more of a memorable experience. And she was like, you know what I do quite a lot with my friends that who live around me? So we go and do an adult painting class. And I've wanted to do a painting class forever. I am a horrible artist. I mean, a horrible painter artist, but I've always wanted to do one and I've never wanted to sign up for, a workshop with many classes on painting, but just to enjoy an evening. And I once saw I can't remember, it was like art and wine or painting and wine. So we decided to go and check it out because she's actually been there quite a lot and she really enjoys it. So we ended up meeting. The place is called Pinot's Pallet. It's a chain that is, I think, in the US. I'm not sure where exactly, but you can find many of these opportunities. So in this particular case, you can bring your own food and your wine. There are definitely some painting classes that the wine and the painting class is included. And it was so much fun. I mean, just the fact that you dress up and you watch a real artist, they are professional artists, teachers showing you how to do the paintings, and you're hanging out with your friends, you're eating. We brought sushi with us and drinking wine, and then other people are also really communicative, and we're just having a blast. And I was able to, number one, finally do a cool painting. Number two, realize that I'm really not an artist. And number three, have a total blast doing it. So this is something, and it was like $35. It wasn't expensive at all. And me and my girlfriend had a lot of fun doing it together, catching up while painting and having a blast. Honestly, it is one of the coolest things that I've done in a very long time. So instead of going and spending what, $15 a glass on wine, you normally have two or three glasses. Here you're going to be spending pretty much the same amount of money, but you're also going to be doing something that's memorable and you bring it home. And every time you look at that painting, you're going to remember that evening. It's been over a year and I still remember that evening. I so highly recommend doing it. They are all over the world because I even have one here in Antigua, Guatemala. So, guys, if you want to go and do something cool, this is definitely an excellent option. And if you need more ideas to make every day an adventure, go to my website, travelexperta.com, travel expert with an A.com. And I've got a ton of free, awesome ideas for you on that site. And remember, if you guys enjoyed this episode, please leave me a review and definitely share it with your friends. And remember, make every day an adventure.